Okay, now we look at simple interest. So in order for us to know what the simple interest works about, I need three formulas. This is my first formula for me to find out what we call as the interest. I'm going to look at how do I get the interest. So let's start with an example. Question: Mumu deposited 7,000 in Maybank, which offers a simple interest of 2%. So R is 2%. Okay, the period T here, I have clearly stated here in business maths. Banker's rule says 1 year got 360 days, not 365, it's 360 days. And we follow this keyword called exact time, meaning January 31, February 28, March 31, April 30, that it follows exactly. But in the sense of total is not 365, it is 360. Take note of that. So when I check for question A, I want to find out what is the interest earned. So I just take my 7,000, I times with 2%, and I times by 2. And I have my I. So I take my calculator, 7,000, 2% times 2. I already have my interest made for 2 years. I give you another one more example. Look at B. I want to find the interest, but now it is on 8 months. So 7,000 times 2%. Since it's 8 months, I change it to year because the T value that we are using always has to be in the unit called years. It cannot be months, it cannot be on days, it has to be years. So that is the reason why I divide by 12, because all of us know 1 year there are 12 months. All of us know this very well. So when I do that, so I take my calculator and I change this to become 8 over 12, which gives me 93.33. I come to C. I want to find the interest. So 7,000 times 2% times. Now if you check, it is 300 days, not year, right? So if it is days, this is where I bring in the banker's rule. 1 year, 360. 1 year is 360 days, not 365, yeah? Please take note of this. 365 is out of the brain for business maths. 360. So I press the calculator. So I change this to become 300 over 360, which gives me 116.67 in the sense of interest. So that is how we calculated the interest for the topic of simple interest. So this is what we have done for the first part, students.